Hello, this is Jackie from Divine Manifestor Circle, and welcome to the Manifest Your Dream Life series. And in this series, I'm going to be walking you through the basic steps of manifesting and get you to understand a little bit more about what manifesting means. And we're going to be using this as a template, as a guide, the Manifest Your Dream Life journal. If you want to buy it, the link is below. You don't need to, you can just use a piece of paper, but all of the steps are laid out in here, so it's easier for me to walk you through how to use it from the journal. So the first thing really to understand is, what is manifesting? You've probably no doubt heard of law of attraction and manifesting interchangeably, and people are like, what's the difference? I mean, law of attraction is a universal law. Principle is based upon like attracts like. So everything is energy. We are all energy. As I'm sat here, I'm energy. This chair is energy. Everything is energy, and it all vibrates at certain frequencies. So in order for you to attract whatever it is you want into your life, you need to be on the same vibrational frequency to attract it. It's a bit like magnets. And in principle, this works if you're constantly thinking negatively, then you are going to attract more things of a negative frequency. The opposite being, if you are fundamentally positive, you are going to attract more positive things into your life, experiences and people. And manifesting is really the doing of the law of attraction. So the action taking of it, so you may write out whatever it is that you want to manifest into your life, and then you go and do the action to back up the manifesting. It's all about inspired action. And we will talk about that later on in the video series, because, we have to understand that it's okay knowing what you want and then writing it down and then just expecting the universe to deliver it. It doesn't work like that. You have to put the inspired action in to get whatever it is that you're wanting to attract into your life. So this is working on, when we're talking about manifesting, we're talking like on a conscious level. What are we doing? What inspired action are we doing on a conscious level to bring into our lives what we want to manifest? So I will see you in the next video, where we focus on letting go of the past. Bye for now.